Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Huila. Thanks for joining us here live on WFAA Plus. 53 degrees, the temperature now at Fort Worth with east winds at 6 miles per hour. We have a little bit of patchy fog developing across the area tonight. We'll see that, especially along and east of the I-35 corridor as we go through the rest of tonight. The high today close to the norm, 62, after a cold morning, 38 degrees, which is pretty close to the normal low, 41. The record, 2005, was 89, and the low record, 1929. We hit 21 degrees. Now, obviously, the month of December just started. It's actually one of our drier months, so we're only running a little bit below normal for the month. Obviously, we haven't seen much, just some drizzle here or there, and that's what we're expecting tomorrow. More on that in a second. For the year, still a great surplus of rain, almost 4 inches, and if you extrapolate it, let's just pretend for a moment we get 0 measurable rain at DFW the rest of the month. We'll still end 2025 with a surplus of rain, so that's good news. 49 degrees, the temperature now. Cloudy skies, east winds at 3. You can actually see that patchy fog a little bit better here on our downtown Dallas tower camera, which sits here on our studios here at WFAA. So that'll start to build in as we go through the rest of tonight. Otherwise, increasing clouds, drizzle, a sprinkle, a shower. That's all we're expecting for the rest of tonight. But tomorrow morning, you'll start off with scattered light rain. There you have it. Sprinkles and showers at Thursday, 7 o'clock in the morning. So if you have any early morning commute plans, a little bit of rain. I say this lovingly. It doesn't take a lot in the Metroplex to cause disruptions. So when I say it's not disruptive rain, what I mean is it's not big thunderstorm activity. It's not heavy, widespread rain. I guess it is technically disruptive. It's light rain. It's a sprinkle or two. It will certainly cause a few of you to slow down. And as we get into Thursday afternoon, most of the rain will stay east of the Metroplex. As we get into the afternoon and evening, another little chance for a shower or two, especially southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area late Thursday night. Will there be any frozen precipitation? No. That is going to stay north of the Red River on Thursday. That'll be into Oklahoma, maybe as close as Wichita Falls. And it would just be like a couple of sleet pellets mixed in, really more than anything. It's just drizzle and sprinkles across our area. If you get measurable rain, trace to 1/10 of an inch, that's it. 1/10 of an inch would be pushing it. The highest chance of that would be closer to Kaufman County and Van Zandt County, and then off to the east where there could be up to 1/4 of an inch southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Lows tonight, pretty steady temperatures really. Once we get to right now we're in the middle 40s as we're doing this live. When we get to the overnight, we'll drop a few more degrees, not much. We're not plummeting overnight. We're only going to 39 in Denton, 42 Dallas, 41 Terrell. Then you look at the highs, not much of a difference. Okay, so we're just staying steady. Essentially, what you have now is what you should expect in the morning, and that's what you should expect throughout the day on Thursday, even to Thursday evening. Temperatures just kind of hover in the low 40s for the rest of tonight and going into tomorrow. Then, as the skies clear out late Thursday night, your Friday morning lows look like this. There could be a freeze in areas north of I-20. I don't expect a widespread freeze, and in fact, south of I-20, looks like it'll be comfortably above freezing by several degrees, so no concerns of a freeze here. North of I-20, closer to the Red River, we'll get awfully close. Sherman 32, Bonham 30, Gainesville 32, McKinney, Denton, Decatur, right around 32 in Denton, 33 McKinney, 32 Greenville. That again is Friday morning. So you look at high temperatures over the next several days. We actually have warmer air on the way as we get into next week. Tonight, though, it's just cold, patchy fog, breezy at times, 41 degrees with some drizzle, some sprinkles, some showers tomorrow. Same thing, 43, cloudy and cold, breezy at times. North winds 10 to 20. That'll keep temperatures down with the clouds around, with the light rain, the north wind 10 to 20. We're just not budging. 41 to start the day, 43 throughout the day. So we'll just stay there. Friday, mostly cloudy skies, 54. And then boom, back to 65 on Saturday. How about that? That'll be a nice day. Then another cold front slides in here. That one without any problems, 56 degrees. 57 next Monday. Then we're back to the warmth for this time of the year, of course. Tuesday, 62. Next Wednesday, 67. Beyond that, it does look like a pretty good signal of warmer than normal temperatures and drier than normal conditions will dominate most of the December 10th through the December 20th period. In fact, if you look toward the end of the 14-day forecast, we actually have a couple days in the 70s. Thanks for joining us here on WFAA Plus. Have a good night.